Innovation for waste minimization.
This is Becca's recommended spray gun cleaning procedure for the E800A manual automatic Waterborne spray gun cleaner workstation. Let's review the manual process. Clean the spray gun as soon as possible after using it. Dispose of the paint left in the spray gun into an approved waste container. Rinse the spray gun with Waterborne gun cleaning solution and pour the pre-rinse into the approved waste container. Be sure to trigger the gun over the container. Remove the air cap and place it in the spray gun cleaner. Attach the quick disconnect to the spray gun to protect the air passageway. Clean the fluid tip and fluid entry passageway aggressively with the flow brush. Clean the air cap with the flow brush, making sure to clean the small holes in each air horn. Power flush the fluid passageway completely with the power pistol. The spray gun is now ready for the drying process. Now let's review the automatic process. If the automatic process is used, and once you have disposed of the paint left over and pre-rinsed the spray gun, remove the air cap and place it in the cleaner over one of the recessed nozzles in the bottom of the wash basin. Attach the quick disconnect to the spray gun to protect the air passageway. Attach the trigger clip. Place the spray gun over one of the extended flow nozzles. Close the lid and engage the safety switch. Turn the power clean valve on and then turn the wash basin valve on. The time frame will vary based on the color being cleaned. Turn the wash basin off, then the power clean, and reverse the sequence to remove the spray gun. Finally, let's review the process of drying the spray gun. With the air still connected, trigger the spray gun and the blow gun directed through the fluid passageway to expel the solution. Then blow off the outer gun. Blow off the air cap and reconnect it to the spray gun. Wipe down the outside of the spray gun and disconnect the QD. Do not chase the gun with anything. Your spray gun is now clean and dry, ready for its next use. Don't forget to review and follow the Tips from the Pros poster.
Innovation for waste minimization.